My dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the exercises of the new lesson, that is a respectable woman, lesson 2, which is taken from lesson 2 of short stories from section 2, that is literature, from the compulsory English of grade 12 according to new course. Let's get started with the help of slide. Understanding the text. Answer the following questions. Question number A. Why was Mrs. Baroda unhappy with the information about Governor's visit to their farm? Its answer is she did not like the interference of anybody on their time of rest and relaxation. She wanted a period of unbroken rest with her husband. So, she was not happy with the information about Governor's visit. मिसेस बरोडालाई कुनै किसिमको इन्टरफेरेन्स डिस्टर्बेन्स मन परेको थिएन र उनले आफ्नो अनब्रोकन रेस्ट एकदम राम्रोसँग रिल्याक्स र रेस्ट चाहन्थिन्। त्यसै कारणले गर्दा अरु कुनै आउँछ भन्दा उलाई अरु कोही मान्छे आउँदैछ भनेको उनलाई चित्त बुझेन। नम्बर बी. How was Governor different from Mrs. Baroda's expectation? मिसेस बरोडाले सोचेको भन्दा Governor कसरी फरक थियो? Governor was different from Mrs. Baroda's expectation as she imagined him to be tall, thin and cynical, wearing eyeglasses, but when she met him, he was neither tall nor cynical. She didn't believe him as smart as clever, but her mental sketch was totally different when she met him. अब उनको एक्सपेक्टेसन उनको सोचाइ भन्दा कसरी फरक भयो भन्दा उलाई एकदम टल दुब्लो अनि आई ग्लास लगाएको एकोहोरे खालको होला भन्ने उनले सोचेकी थिइन् तर उ त्यसले सोचेको जस्तो खालको थिएन अलि त्यस्तो टल सिनिकल खालको थिएन एकदम कमक्क पर्ने खालको थियो त्यही भएर तिनले सोचेको कुरा मिलेन। How does Mrs. Baroda compare Governor with her husband? अब Governor र उनको husband को बीचको comparison. Mrs. Baroda finds Governor attractive, but she does not perceive the same trait in him as her husband. She couldn't find any of the brilliant qualities that Gaston, her husband, had. Mrs. Baroda considered him unsociable in comparison to her husband because he does not appear to be paying attention to her. Mrs. बरोडाले गभर्नरलाई के देखिन् त भन्दा अट्र्याक्टिभ देखिन् तर अब ग्यास्टन जस्तो स्मार्ट चाहिँ देखिनन्। उनले ब्रिलियन्ट क्वालिटी जुन राम्रो क्वालिटी थियो नि त्यस्तो राम्रो क्वालिटी जुन हस्बेन्डमा थियो उनले गभर्नरमा त्यस्तो हस्बेन्डमा भएको राम्रो क्वालिटी पाइनन् किनभने उनलाई त्यति भ्यालु दिइरहेको थिएन। Why and how did Mrs. Baroda try to change Governel's solitary habit? अब कसरी Governelको solitary habit एकान्तमा रमाउने बानीलाई कसरी चेन्ज गर्न खोजिन्? Mrs. Baroda wanted Governel as more talkative and franker to her. She also wanted she should pay attention to her. That's why she tried to change his solitary habits. She expected him to be more interesting. अब मिसेस बरोडाले के चाहन्थिन् भने उ धेरै बोलोस् टकटिभ होस् एकदम कुराकानी गर्ने फ्र्याङ्क भएर बोलोस् भन्ने चाहन्थिन् र उनले धेरै बोलोस् म प्रति आकर्षित होस् भन्ने चाहन्थिन् तर उ त्यति उनले सोचे जस्तो थिएन। उसले उनलाई बढी इन्ट्रेस्टिङ होस् भन्ने चाहना राख्थिन्। अनि उनले She attempted to change his solitary habits by assuring him to be more talkative and adaptable to the situation. र तिनले उसलाई solitary habit बाट अलि बलक्कड र नयाँ सिचुएसनमा एडाप्ट हुने खालको होस् भन्ने उनले चाहना राख्थिन् र त्यही अनुसार प्रयास गरेकी थिइन्। How does Gaston disagree with his wife on Gouvernail's character? Gaston disagrees with his wife on Gouvernail's character, as she has remarked his character as less interesting and shy person, but Gaston remarks him that he is friendly, interesting and talkative person. उनले अब ग्यास्टन भनेको उनको हस्बेन्डसँग मिसेस बरोडा उनकी श्रीमतीले के भनिन् भने गुभर्नेल भनेको इन्ट्रेस्टिङ क्यारेक्टर होइन, धेरै बोल्दैन, तर ग्यास्टनले के भन्छन् भने यो गुभर्नेल छ नि त्यो एकदम राम्रो फ्रेन्डली छ, सबैसँग राम्रोसँग बोल्ने बलक्कड मान्छे हो भनेर बताउँछन्, जुन कुरा उनको वाइफले स्वीकार गर्दिनन्। Why is Gaston surprised with his wife's expression towards the end of the story? किन अचम्म परे लास्टको एक्सप्रेसनले भन्दा Gaston is surprised with his wife's expression towards the end of the story because Gaston is surprised with his wife's expression towards the end of the story because she proposes to have Gouvernail's visit to them again before the end of the year, which is not expected by Gaston from his wife's side. Okay, यो ग्यास्टनले के सोचेको थियो भने यो गभर्नेललाई फेरि बोलाउन खोज्दा मेरो वाइफले अपोज गर्छिन्, विरोध गर्छिन्, तर उनले छिटो बोलाउनुस् भन्दा उनी एकदम अचम्मै परे, किनभने उनले पहिले त्यो नजाँदासम्म म घर आउन्न भनेर माइत गएकी थिइन्, त्यसैले ऊ के भयो अचम्म पर्यो। What is the cause of conflict in Mrs. Baroda's mind? What role does Mrs. Baroda, being a respectable woman, play in the story? Answer. The cause of conflict in Mrs. Baroda's mind is that her mental image of Gouvernail and the real character and his looks. In the same way, her attraction to her husband's friend is also the main cause of conflict in her mind. Mrs. Baroda appears to be bound by society's perception of what makes a respectable woman. अब तिनले बरोडालाई के को टेन्सन थियो त भन्दा तिनको माइन्डमा के को कुरा कन्फ्लिक्ट भइरहेको थियो उनको माइन्डमा भन्दा उसको गभर्नेलको क्यारेक्टर र उसको स्वभाव कस्तो छ, मैले सोचेको र उसले क्यारेक्टर मिल्छ कि मिल्दैन भन्ने उनलाई टेन्सन थियो र त्यो गभर्नेल तिरको जुन अट्र्याक्सन छ नि त्यो पनि उनलाई टेन्सनको विषय थियो र सोसाइटीको पर्सेप्सनले तिनी रिस्पेक्टफुल वुमन हुन्, अब त्यो कुरा सबै कुराले तिनले आफ्नो कुरा फ्र्याङ्कली भन्न नसकेको हुँदा तिनी टेन्सनमा थिइन्। Mrs. Baroda seems to be attracted to Gouvernail, but she controls her urges to touch his face because she believes that she is a respectable woman and is probably afraid of what society might think of her. She controls herself. उनी अब गभर्नेललाई मन पराउँथिन् र गभर्नेलसँग जान पनि सक्थिनन् किनकि उनलाई सोसाइटीले के भन्ला भन्ने थियो, त्यसैले उनी टेन्सनमा रहिरहन्थिन्। आफूलाई कन्ट्रोल गरे पनि मेन्टल टेन्सन उनलाई रहिरह्यो। Reference to the context. Sketch the character of Gouvernail and contrast it with Gaston. अब ग्यास्टन र गभर्नेल बीचको चरित्र चित्रणमा के फरक छ वर्णन गर। Answer. From the short story A Respectable Woman, we can find that Gouvernail is a journalist. He is not as social as his friend Gaston, since he does not appear to pay enough attention to the people around him. He smokes cigar lazily, but is an attentive listener. Okay? यो स्टोरीबाट के बुझ्न सकिन्छ भने यो रिस्पेक्टेबल वुमनमा त्यो जुन गभर्नेल भन्ने क्यारेक्टर छ नि त्यो एउटा जर्नलिस्ट हो र त्यो त्यति सोसाइटीमा मिलेको सोसल जस्तो देखिदैन। उले अरूको वरिपरिको कुरामा त्यति अटेन्सन दिएको हुँदैन के कसले के गरिरहेछन्, ऊ आफ्नै सिगरेट पिउँदै मस्त गरी बसिरहेछ र तर अरूको कुरा ध्यान दिएर सुन्छ। Gaston was lively and eager to go to fishing or hunting, but Gouvernail did not show interest as he was not so familiar in that place. Gaston के थियो त अलि लाइभली थियो, अलि जीवन्त, यो फिसिङ हन्टिङमा जाउँ भन्ने खालको अलि सक्रिय खालको देखिन्थ्यो भने तर गुभर्नेलले त्यस्ता कुराहरूमा हन्टिङ गर्न जाने फिसिङ गर्न जाने कुराहरूमा त्यति इन्ट्रेस्ट देखाउँदैन थियो किनभने त्यो नयाँ ठाउँमा आएको थियो। Why does Mrs. Baroda not disclose her feelings towards Gouvernail to her husband? Mrs. Baroda does not disclose her feeling towards Gouvernail to her husband because she appears in the story as a respectable woman. To be respectable woman, she has to follow the norms and value of the society. Mrs. Baroda is well aware that society would view her action because she is a married woman. अब तिनले गोभर्नेल प्रतिको दृष्टिकोण कस्तो छ भनेर तिनले बताउन सकिरहेकी छैनन् किनभने उनले आफ्नो स्ट्याटसको तिनलाई ख्याल गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, त्यसैले उनले सबै कुरा गर्न सक्दिनन्। Her belief about what makes a woman respectable in the society takes priority over her feelings and desires. Her fear of what society might think of her and her perception that she is a respectable woman prevented Mrs. Baroda from telling her husband about her emotions for Gouvernail. उनले उनको मनमा जे कुरा फिलिङ जस्तो फिलिङ डिजायर आएको थियो नि त्यो सबै कुरा तिनले व्यक्त गर्न सक्दैनन् किनभने उनी अब ती सबै कुरा व्यक्त गरिन् भने तिनलाई अब रिस्पेक्टेबल वुमन मानिदैन भन्ने उनको कन्सेप्टमा थियो र तिनी सबै कुरा खुलेर बोल्न सकिरहेकी थिएनन्। Number D. The last three sentences of the story bring a kind of twist. After reading these three sentences, how do you analyze Mrs. Baroda's attitude towards Gouvernail? Okay. यहाँ अब यो लास्ट थ्री सेन्टेन्सले यो स्टोरीमा ट्विस्ट ल्याइदिन्छ। यी थ्री सेन्टेन्स हेरेपछि तीनटा सेन्टेन्स हेरेपछि गुभर्नेल प्रतिको बरोडाको एटिट्युड कस्तो छ भन्न खोजेको। Answer. The last three sentences of the story bring a kind of twist in the story, a respectable woman. The story has presented a sudden change in Mrs. Baroda's inner feeling and way of thinking in the last three sentences. She has found the courage to control over her emotions. She approaches her husband and makes a charmingly vague remark that reopens the issue of whether or not she intends to act on her feeling. She tells him that I have overcome everything. He will find out soon enough. I am going to be extra kind to him this time. At first sight, Mrs. Baroda's remark seems to imply that she has recovered control over her emotions. Overcoming everything seems to imply that she has triumphed over not just her dissatisfaction with Gouvernail, but also her unrespectable love emotions for him. अब Mrs. Baroda has not only changed her mind about Gouvernail, but she may also no longer be bound by society's view of what makes a respectable woman. Mrs. Baroda has achieved freedom outside of the boundaries of society. We can assume that Mrs. Baroda has not only overcome her own and society's perception of what a respectable woman is, but she is also ready to pursue a relationship with Gouvernail by telling Gaston, I shall be very nice to him. Thank you very much. This way, I have come to an end of my topic. If you like this type of video, do like my video and subscribe my channel so that you would be notified when I upload next video which may be useful to you.